In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ultimate Oscillator, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get the Ultimate Oscillator showing right under your chart in Tradingview. First, make sure you're already on a chart in your Tradingview account. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click in that search field and start typing the word Ultimate. You don't have to type the full name of the indicator, just the word Ultimate is enough for Tradingview to filter the list for you. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down list updating in real time, showing all indicators that match what you've entered. This makes it much faster than scrolling through the full list. Among the results that appear, look for Ultimate Oscillator. This is the built-in version provided by Tradingview, so you don't need to install anything extra or use a custom script. Once you see Ultimate Oscillator in the list, move your cursor over it and click once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see a new panel appear, usually at the bottom of your screen, with the Ultimate Oscillator plotted as a line that moves up and down. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name on the left of that panel and click the settings icon to customize colors, line thickness, or other visual options. This is optional, but it can help you match the indicator to your personal chart style. If you're planning to use this indicator regularly and want more chart layouts, extra alerts, and additional features, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan using the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to unlock more tools while supporting the channel at the same time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Ultimate Oscillator to your Tradingview chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your technical analysis.